Is the add friend button missing on profiles? Here's how to get it back fast. Is this happening for all profiles or just some? Let me know in the comments below. First, check if you are in professional mode. This hides friend buttons on business profiles. If you sent too many requests recently, Facebook temporarily removes the button, so wait for 48 hours. The person may have restricted you. Trying viewing their profile in incognito mode to confirm. Update your app. Older versions sometimes hide friend options incorrectly. Still missing? The profile might be fake or memorialized. Check their join date and activity. Button back? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.